Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Tech Solution. Today I will discuss another example of OSPF with command and also in physical layout. This is a router formation where I have kept a 2620 XM model, and this is switch collection where I kept 2950T24 series switch, and PC is a generic PC. I have kept here PC0 and PC1 in the second network. First network is of router 0, second router is router 1, and the cable is connected. Select from auto select cable where Ethernet cable is connected, and serial cable is also selected automatically. So I will place it here. Just click on this selection and click on the router and next router. And this router has no WSC, and for that this is empty area where I have to put one WSC 2T panel, one interface card here, and serial cable is there, and on this router. So now it will connect here from this to this area, and now IP has kept in this. There is a router where two interfaces are working. One is for local LAN, this is 10.10.1.1 IP, and one is for WAN interface, that is serial interface, which is I hold the IP 172.16.2.3, and here dot one, and this local IP local LAN IP will be 192.168.2.1, and the PC IP accordingly in the same class of 192.168.2.2. So I will just set the IP here on the PC. So here desktop will allow the IP. Static IP is 192. Sorry, this is of 10 class, class A. Dot suppose this IP is here, and router IP will be already given here 10.10.1. Sorry, dot 1. So I check it whether this IP is kept here. Yes, it is kept here. And now second LAN is here where IP is 192.168.2.2. So config on desktop IP, static IP is here 192.168.1.2 suppose, and sorry, 192.168.1.2, and 192 dot router IP will be 1.1. So I check where it is same IP or not. This is 2, network ID is 2, so here IP will be corrected as 2, and here also network ID is 2. So I will save it. Now there is a green panel here. This green panel shows it has some active IP. Now I will go to configure router, and after that I will make a routing table using OSPF, which is some easier to understand what are the routing process working. Now I will set this power on, and it will in CLI mode we see that it will vote on this here, and during this process I will go for the configuration with IP. Here N is pressed to know initial configuration, so I will load the default configuration, and now I will set fast Ethernet for local IP, and serial 0 by 0 is for WAN IP. So my first IP can be set here 10.10.1.1, and this is power on, which command is reflecting here IP address, IP of that node and subnet of that node. And I will click on, then this command will be exited as you see here, no shutdown. So it is okay. Serial IP is here 172.16.1. I will see here whether it is correct or not. Yes, this is 3, so I should correct it as 3. And clock rate should be given one side where set as 64,000 and status is half, no shut is used, so the command will be exited here, no shutdown. Yes, it is okay. So now second router is here. I will go for this. Here IP is configured for fast Ethernet, which is 192.168.2.1, and status is up, so this is no shut command. Accordingly, in the second interface, serial interface, WAN IP is there. So WAN IP of this is 172.16.2. Suppose this is I have selected as 2 1, so 1 is there. So status is on, and this is already up, so clock rate is checked whether it is working without the clock. So now it is green. This is the local LAN is created, so packet may be placed here to check the successful. Yes, it is okay. And this LAN is local LAN is successful. Yes, okay. Similarly, this local LAN is successful, so now I have to use a routing only to change my packet from this PC to this PC, because it will not go there, because different node is acting on different network. So you see this is failed. Now I will create the OSPF. So I am in router 1. I will click command enable command to go to privilege mode from user mode, and this also routing is done in config terminal mode, so configure is GC mode, global configuration mode. And here I will apply the router command, router OSPF 1 ID is 1, suppose. Then the router is here, and network command will be ID of this network, suppose 192.172. From in the first network 172 is there, 16.2.0, and subnet will be opposite of that, subnet 0.0.255, because it is of class B network. And here area is defined because areas are required of in OSPF. So it is okay. Now next command is same for the routing OSPF. IP will be changed here, 10.10.10. This is 10.10, and ID is 1, so 0, and routing is of class A, so this is 0 1 0, 3 places 0, and 1 to 55 plus 1, area is same 0. So it is okay. Now do right is for I think the saving the command. And now go to the next router. Here same process is done. Router command is routing, router OSPF 1, same ID is here, OSPF ID, and network command is network 172.16.2.0 and 0.0.255.2.5. Area 0 is here, So next is I should go the sorry, I will go for the next network. I see the previous command here. I will correct this with 192 dot 168 .2.0 network is here 255 is only in one place, and area 0 is here. So do right for saving this configuration, and I can see here whether process is updated or not. I see packet flowing here. Is it? Yes, it is okay. I see from this note. I see clearly whether it is working from this node also. Yes, it is okay. Now I think it is clearer to us. Yes, thank you. So this is the OSPF network in easy way. So OSPF routing technique. So I think it will be more clear to you. And previous example I was also giving some routing technique on OSPF, and it is the second one. So please try do one it yourself, and it will be easier to you. Thank you. And if it is liked by you, please click on like button.